in the Congress party and also in the India Gathbandhan to restore statehood to Jammu and Kashmir as soon as possible. We had expected that this would be done prior to the elections, but okay, elections have been declared. It is a step forward and we are hoping that statehood will be restored as soon as possible and the rights of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, democratic rights, will be restored to them. I said earlier in the meeting that this is the first time since independence that a state has become union territories. This has never happened before. Union territories have become states, but it's the first time that a state has become union territory. So we are very clear in our national manifesto as well that it is a priority for us that the people of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh get their democratic rights back. It's always a pleasure for me to come here. I have a very deep relationship with the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And my message to the people of Jammu and Kashmir is, however we can help you, the Congress party is always there. We understand that you're going through a very difficult period, a tough period, and we want to remove violence. जैसे मैंने भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में कहा था, नफरत के बाजार में मोहब्बत की दुकान हम खोलना चाहते हैं, इज्जत से, रिस्पेक्ट से, भाईचारे के साथ. Thank you very much. If we're taking questions, we're just making two statements here. Thank you.